Now, U.S. President Donald Trump has threatened to permanently close the U.S. border with Mexico if the neighboring country does not act to stop the flow of migrants. Just a day earlier, the U.S. closed the southern border crossing between San Diego and Tijuana, though it was reopened hours later. Mexico has pledged to shore up security near its border, saying it would deport those who try to violently enter the U.S. from Tijuana. The promise came after a peaceful march devolved into chaos when U.S. security personnel fired tear gas into crowds of migrants. Trump repeated his call on Congress to fund a long-promised border wall on Monday. The federal government funding is set to expire on December the 7th.